with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to go through some of the options on this brand new 2024 Yamaha 252S. Starting in the back here, you got a nice swim platform with loungers. These loungers actually slide forward, so you can convert the seating. It's powered by twin 1.9 liter high output engines. Ample seating throughout, wet sound system in it with a massive subwoofer, cooler underneath there, nice storage over there. Got dual storage here by the passenger side as well. Both of these flip open. There's a head option here if you'd like, otherwise it's just massive storage. Over by the helm you have the big Yamaha display here, dual throttles, whole bunch of features. And then moving up to the bow, you can see there's ample seating throughout, tons of storage. You can pull these cushions out and make a little more leg room. Yeah, all around super sharp boat. If you guys are interested, call us at MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, my name is Caleb. Hope to see you here.